Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Prepare to delve into the realm of megatech, where colossal machines reign supreme. Marvel at extraordinary driving prowess as we tackle treacherous terrains and haul immense payloads. Are you prepared to witness the planet's most formidable titans unleashed? Buckle up, let the spectacle commence. This behemoth of a truck bellows as it assaults a near-perpendicular incline nestled deep within the woods. A dauntless, iron-clad gladiator surging ahead with relentless force and impeccable precision. Its engine thunders like a mythical leviathan, unleashing colossal torque, unwavering beneath the staggering burden it bears. Behold, the Peterbilt. A colossal leviathan roaring with untamed power and boasting a hydraulic system of exquisite precision. This ingenious homemade tractor toils, wrestling gigantic logs through the mire after torrential rain. These robust, powerful machines embody the grit and fortitude of the locals, where cutting-edge tech remains absent. In that heartbeat as the truck's wheels lose traction, your pulse skyrockets, narrowly averting catastrophe. By a hair's breadth, truly breathtaking. This incredible machine feels like a leap from a futuristic film. Its automated system masterfully manages operations, making it exceptionally user-friendly, even for novices. The most striking aspect is its seamless, formidable power, even when facing daunting obstacles deep within the treacherous, damp forest. The John Deere 110D harvester boldly ventures into a muddy quagmire and swiftly becomes entrapped, with no immediate assistance available. It must ingeniously extract itself, strategically positioning logs and expertly maneuvering to forge an escape route after a grueling ordeal. The unrivaled 6x6 off-road Titan roars to life, showcasing indomitable strength and relentless grit to dominate challenging landscapes. This absolute beast ascends treacherous slopes and decimates unforgiving terrain, solidifying its place as the supreme powerhouse in the forestry sector. Clocking in at a hefty 23,616 lb, the JD 548 is an absolute titan, delivering exceptional pulling force to dominate formidable inclines and navigate the most unforgiving boggy landscapes. The Vietnamese spirit is genuinely indomitable, dating back to the 1954 war. Their ingenuity, seen in self-built vehicles conquering impossible inclines, astounds globally. A truck overloaded with hay, perched precariously on a mountainside, a figure balancing atop, is awe-inspiring. This exemplifies unwavering resolve, pushing past boundaries. Even a towering cedar, imposing at 10 feet, falls majestically to a 42 in bar. The sheer magnitude of the labor is deeply stirring as the saw blade bites. Blazing through the dense forest with unmatched force, pinpoint accuracy, and top-tier equipment, culminating in a spectacular display. That classic W900A remains an absolute beast, hauling a colossal load of timber up treacherous inclines, advancing fearlessly with a thunderous roar. Witness as an excavator assists from above, while the truck below masterfully utilizes two robust pillars to command it. A flawless descent into the truck bed, a virtuoso's exhibition, maximizing every resource at hand, unfettered by contemporary equipment. Navigating this titan is akin to piloting a warship through tempestuous seas. Profound. Raw force amplified by ultimate accuracy creates a breathtaking, intense spectacle. The Yatab Bosov tractor dives down a near-sheer incline, inciting gasps from the audience, yet its grip falters. Halting precariously, transforming thrilled expectation into collective deflation. Unexpectedly, a thunderous armored vehicle arrives, rescuing the marooned Toyota from its predicament. Its humbling ordeal garners universal acclaim as the Pacific P-16, boasting a thunderous Detroit 12-cylinder engine, resounds like a lion's majestic roar. From ancient forests to bustling sawmills, each log faces a treacherous expedition. Expert drivers navigate colossal trucks over perilous landscapes, guaranteeing every timber arrives pristine. A heavily laden, self-built tractor ascends the mountain path, then abruptly falters. Traction. Its front end soaring skyward, defying peril. The composed driver, collaborating seamlessly with onlookers, conquers the hurdle impressively. The cheapo 81010C, boasting a colossal 780 GP engine and unparalleled dual chipping system, decimates logs at breathtaking velocity, coupled with a quad-axle truck. This is a true annihilation behemoth, conquering all terrains. These colossal logging machines are a breathtaking testament to premier engineering and awe-inspiring scale. Engine might, integrated with GPS and cutting-edge cameras, guarantees utmost safety and unwavering sustainability across all landscapes. BR. Nothing can stop the slippery red clay terrain from becoming a perilous struggle for survival. The formidable truck groans, bearing an immense load of timber with every revolution of its wheels. Hurling Earth skyward, testing machine might and driver metal. Fiat 6Y9, an enduring marvel, conquering ascents, relentlessly powerful. Unleashed, unstoppable force, ultimate survival on treacherous roads. Entering the murky, profound forest, conquering formidable landscapes with immense cargo. Only the elite drivers brave this perilous trial. This colossal titan of the logging world bulldozes through perilous terrain, an invincible force with its robust steel chassis and roaring engine, obliterating every impediment, conquering audacious inclines with unwavering resolve, a truly awe-inspiring and electrifying spectacle. Against the biting winter chill, the Timberjack 810B embarks on a formidable expedition, its robust steel tracks effortlessly traversing the hidden treacherous mud beneath the pristine snow. This colossal machine, a true titan of the forest, carves its path with sheer power and unwavering resolve. What an incredible journey that was. Share your insights in the comments below and smash that like and subscribe button for more cutting-edge content.